Alright guys, so fresh out the stash is the Porsche Turbo RSR Type 934 in the Jaegermeister paint scheme with photo etch parts from Tamiya. I've been looking forward to taking this out of the stash, so let's see how it comes along. Thanks everybody. So here it is. So let's break into this and see what's going on. The box is very small, which is strange, and it's got some weird tape on it too, so I can't even remember. Oh, it's not even locked. Great. Alright, let's see. So, tyres, racing slicks, some chromed wheels, a very orange chassis here, the glass, one more sprue, only 2 sprues, interesting. This looks like a simple kit, and then this cool body, and instructions right here, and then a little bit of PE, and the decal sheet. Let's see how this goes. Thanks everybody. Bye. Well, hey everybody, thank you very much for watching the video. Here is the final build. Certainly not going to be entered into any shows, a few issues here and there. Overall it'll look good in the case, but as you can see from the pictures, it is not going to be a showstopper. I would highly recommend this kit. The main issue with it was the builder's skills. That was the main letdown, and the spillage on the top here from the clear coat, I just couldn't recover from that. Highly recommend it. Again, thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and I hope everybody's safe and have a great day. Thanks everybody, bye bye. So this is the 18th time I've asked my wife to record this today, and we're trying a new thing, but we'll see how it works because she keeps making noise with the zooming in and zooming out, but we'll see. So she's had to take her shoes off because apparently that helps. So this is